We've all fallen for it. Buying cool gimmicky stuff that we see on YouTube or other places and thinking it'll help us in our shop. Here's 5 things as a new woodworker you really don't need in your shop. Let's start with this guy because we're already here. This is a micro jig saw blade cleaning kit. Honestly, if you're new to woodworking, you don't need this. Go get yourself a 5-gallon bucket lid from your favorite blue or orange big box store, some green Scotch-Brite pads, and a little dish soap. That and some warm water and you've got everything you need to clean all the saw blades in your shop. Moving on. Number 2, cheap clamps or clamp kits or clamp sets. Do yourself a favor, don't start with these. Spend the money to buy yourself a decent set of woodworking clamps. There's lots of different brands, lots of different places you can get them. I'm not saying you need to get Bessie or Jet or anybody else's brand, but buy yourself a good quality set of clamps that actually will hold things the way you need them to be held, and you'll be a whole lot happier as you start your journey into woodworking. Number 3, cheap chisels and cheap block planes. You might think these are a good place to start, but they're just going to frustrate you, and if you're new to using these tools, it's frustration you just don't need. Head over to a place like Lee Nielsen Tools or any other good quality US-based chisel manufacturer and block planes. Buy yourself one good chisel. You can buy these individually or in sets. Yes, they're expensive, but they'll last the rest of your life regardless of what age you're getting into woodworking. Do yourself a favor and invest in a good chisel up front that you can use, and you'll be a lot less frustrated. Number 4, complete router bit sets. You probably won't use all the bits in the set, and you probably are better off buying individual router bits for specific projects that you have on hand. Now this one kind of gets a bit of a bonus tip because this is actually a Sommerfeld cabinet making bit set, which is a fantastic set of router bits. They are amazing. The problem is I haven't built cabinets with them yet. I bought these before I had a problem to solve. I guess that's kind of the bonus tip here, is don't buy tools that aren't solving a problem for you in your shop today. You can always pick them up later. And number 5, plastic feather boards and other cheap tools that are just going to get in the way, be problematic, and potentially cause a safety hazard for you around the table saw. If you need a jig or something for the tools that you're using, make your own. That way they fit your work style and you don't have to worry about some cheap plastic thing breaking in the middle of trying to make a cut or trying to get a project done. So there you go. Nice and easy, fresh and lemon squeezy. 5 things you really don't need in your shop if you're new to woodworking. This list is probably immeasurably long, and I'm trying to keep this video short. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider hitting the like and the subscribe button. Helps the channel a lot, helps motivate me to keep making videos. So till next time, friends, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.